I just got some wonderful news from one of our amazing dental sleep medicine clients down in Texas. She told me that in the last 2 years, through Dental Sleep Profits, we've been able to help her go from 15% of her practice revenue to over 70% of her practice revenue coming from sleep. And she told me yesterday when I was on a meeting with her, she gets kind of frustrated when she sees a composite or a crown on her schedule because she's doing mostly sleep now, and it's really exciting and very fulfilling. But what do you do if you want to get to that point as well, to the point where you're seriously considering transitioning out of general dentistry and going full-time sleep? You need to have a guided plan. And I'm so excited about what Dental Sleep Profits has created with our Jumpstart, Grow, Accelerate, and Transition plans that are curated for guiding exactly where you're at now to where you want to be. So if you want, somewhere in this video, there's a link. Click to find out more about each one of those programs and how they can help you where you're at now and get you to where you want to be.